Hey escapers, welcome back to another video with your girl Escape with Dev. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video and I have missed you guys, but I have been battling with a few things like postpartum depression and so on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I just captured a few things. I did travel to Jamaica in December for Christmas. It was well needed after being in the UK for so many months. And not being able to go back to Jamaica because of, as I said, things were happening. But like I said, I was happy to be back home. I never filmed much again because of my state of mind, but I'm praying over it and I'm working on it. So this year, 2026, I pray and hope, not even hope, I will be back with better content and consistency. If you are going through anything similar or just anything in general, just keep the faith, keep praying, and know that you'll be fine. I love you guys and I hope you guys enjoy the small videos or the small content that I did capture. Oh, they're big and fat.
One lobster top. Now let's see boy with the egg and your farm for your Christmas trip. This take your picture and see up.
How much it is? Just take the
Picture,
Picture man. Yeah, my girl, I deal with it. Alright, no problem. Me I go wear right now I'm bag you up. Yeah. Alright, man, at Christmas, you know, £1 and do no different.
Jamaican people are resilient, boy. They're still working. They're still hustling.
My hustle man like nothing going on.
Wow. Look at this scallion feel. This is what, 2 months after Hurricane Melissa. We're in St. Elizabeth. 2 months after the hurricane, 3 months after the hurricane, sorry. But one thing I know is Jamaican people are so resilient and
Never travel with a bag. Probably in back pocket.
Oh, damn. Oh, Bunting run down here, sir. Yes, I'm Manchester. Oh, me think I said this is nothing.
Look, people mix up on the wine and call Manchester sentence.
Yeah, me think I said it again.
You see when they go up on the Broadway, they come up on the side.
Yeah.
They right in the sentence, so check your beat.
Yeah.
Anyway, back from cross the side there, go back through the alligator pan, one of them was a piece of alligator pan, the sentence, back the river.
Yeah.
That's why they hear them say, no, rinse the river in Manchester, but the river head come out of Manchester.
Oh.
You understand? I see if you notice the hill there, I them use and say alligator pan. If you walk in the sky and look like you have a joint and use it, you can see the alligator farm out.
Oh, it's forward.
Oh. Go straight up. Then they put them come fall. I tell you, you have to learn the history. Then they put them come fall. Your foot start fall right there. So.
Okay.
And then the next one foot fall out of gutters. And then your head fall up in a chilani.
Really?
Alright, so
Oh, this
it's
is
a good thing to learn that.
A good thing to learn.
That they use and call down as alligator pond.
oh.
I learned something today.
Down to your remote listener.
This is 6 points. So this car dealership, guys, has the best cars. It's called Julex Auto Sales. I will put all the information up for them. We've bought 2 cars from them this year and they have some reasonable cars. Yes, I plan to actually they have some really reasonable cars here and stuff. So this is a BMW. Huh? Oh yeah, the Vox. They have loads of Voxes. This is where we bought the Voxy from. Let's show you the cars. Some really nice cars. I think this is a they have vans. Like if you want to do Juta services or delivery services, these are like the perfect vans to have for it in Jamaica, which I would recommend. And you have the Noahs and you have the Voxies. They have loads of Noahs and Voxies. Perfect for business, you know. The Juta.
The what?
The Juta. The Juta buses. Is that what you call them?
The carry tourists.
Yeah, you can carry tourists in there, you can carry passenger, and then you can do delivery as well.
Delivery. You see now I'm no seat at the back.
Yeah, you can do delivery.
Oh, this one is. What is?
Is this a
What's the name of
Noah?
this?
A Noah.
Noah?
Oh my god, I think brother would have loved this one.
This one is nice.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh, is it selling?
Yeah.
Oh wow, let me see. Oh wow. But look at it, come here. The interior is so nice. Oh wow, this one is nice.
It's nice, nice.
Look, is that a footrest?
A television is?
Yeah.
A television?
Yeah, it's TV, like that
TV.
one. Is this a footrest?
Yeah, yeah.
No, but you gotta pull it at the side.
No, look so.
No? Oh, it looked like it though.
Quite nice.
It's nice.
Really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, how much is this one?
No, that side. Pull it. It's nice.
Yeah, then now you get it well loaded. The truck I sell.
Is it?
I see.
Is this selling? Oh. How much is it? Oh, 5 million? So technically, let's say 6 million, round it. Yeah. It's good.
I use already out here.
2012. But yeah, guys, they are the they have all the Voxies, all the Noahs, and we went to a lot of different car dealerships in Mandeville to get a Voxie when we were shopping for one, and we couldn't find none. And we came here; they have every single thing. Right here.
One, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a purple one. This one's 10 mil. Is it
3.7?
Oh, 3.7. So if you're trying to buy a car, this is like the price range, guys. 2016. Yeah, they have nice cars. This is the highway. You guys know. Oh, for like these. Okay. So this is where you come, guys, for your cars. Don't go nowhere else. Well, you can look around if you want to, but I recommend this car dealership. As I said, 2 cars in 1 year from this car dealership. Amazing car. They have all your cars that you're looking for. Yes. Which one? Well, this is 13 million, 2023. What do you wanna? Okay. What's this, a Noah? This is a Noah.
It looks similar like.
No, it's a Noah. But it's still clean.
It's still clean.
And one thing about all their cars, even as old as they may be, like in the year, they're very clean, very new looking. Everything is good.
Yeah.
No scratches. Nothing. They have this. 12 million. That's a 2022. And then they have a Range Rover, which is a 2020. Preparing for the Christmas. Few days before Christmas. Manchester is so cold, guys. Like, I am so cold. I'm chilly. Usually the cold bumps on my skin. Oh. Hi. Good morning.
You see fire warm me up, man. Fire warm me up though. It's a tangerine for me.
Oh, tangerine again. But it's not. Oh. Yeah, it's nice. This is really nice. This place in Mandeville. This is progressive. What? No, it's not progressive. It's Savannah. No.
Island Blue.
It's Island Blue Coffee Place. But the plaza, I can't remember. She doesn't want to. It's Christmas Eve and Grandma's making her famous plantain top that we love so much. And we're gonna squash it down. Oh, plantain top. Her favorite. Our favorite. You still got it in you, Grandma? You still got the touch?
That's true.
No, it's good.
I love it now.
Where? Some of your touch? No, it's not. This is the best plantain tart. Going market night in Progressive with my mom. Going market night. So my first one. What's this?
Hey, this is the punch dresser.
Probably the guest. I think it's the guest. What is the guest?
Oh, the guest.
The guest. The guests are here.
Ambush them, man.
Ambush them, man. Ambush them.
Don't move.
Don't move. Do not move. So far we travel from you see you want something for Christmas.
Christmas.
Huh?
What a good time,
Good time, yeah.
Yeah, good time. Sorry, everybody's here. Oh, they came back. The guests. Oh yeah, they came back.
Me suspect that something was going down. You're there for Monday. I know something was going down.
You knew. We are in Mandeville. I didn't actually think I was gonna come back out. I didn't think my uncle was gonna actually come for me, but he came. And this is the. You have to park and walk. You cannot drive.
Yeah.
This is the queue.
Half a mile over.
Literally. It's like carnival to me.
It is.
Yeah, it's
Right
like
to the
carnival.
morning.
Mandeville Park.
Yeah, all of for the seat. Right now, we share.
So my brother ditched England to come here. I said my brother ditched England, living the life. In the back of his truck, in the back of his Voxy, eating his cane. In the nice, it's not even cold, it's just nice. Nice and cool. Living life. Not England, eh?
We get the cane for free too.
Exactly. See, where? Where'd you get it from? Uncle Mikey? Oh.
Taking in the Mandeville view from on top, from the top of our rooftop garden, and having just a bit of food.